Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to install Windows Server 2022 in VMware Workstation. First thing, you have to click on File, click on New Virtual Machine, click Next. So I browse to my file I keep in here in my E drive and folder software, and this is my file. So I open it and then click Next. But in here, just back and I will install operation later. I will click here and then I click Next, and yes, I click on Microsoft Windows, and here we can choose if you install Server 2019, 16 or 20 or 12, up to you, but I am install Windows 2022. I click on here and then click Next. Virtual machine name, I just keep it default, and I want to store my Windows Server in my E drive. I will browse to my E drive, and I will put in VMware folder. And here I have to create one folder, and I name it Windows Server 2022. I put it in here, yeah. And okay, click Next, just click Next. And I need 100 GB of hard disk, 100 GB of hard disk drive, and click Next. Summarize, this is your VMware name, your server name, your location, or something, hard disk drive, and then click Finish. And we just check in here, and in here I will select on ISO file because I have the ISO file. So you can recheck Windows Server 2022 file. Just make sure the correct one, and then click OK. After that, you click on Start in here, and click any key. Click any key to boot. Click Alt, Control, and Enter to make it the full screen. Click on Next and install. In here, I choose the Data Center Evaluation and Desktop Experience. Choose this one. We have the interface. So click Next and click on I accept and click Next. In here, I choose Custom Install, and I need two drives. First drive for the window and second drive for the Delta. Click on New, and I separate drive because I need two drive, and this one I just allow just allow the primary, I just allow the around 50 gig, and the last drive is my second drive for store the Delta. So I apply all side to my second drive and then I will install the Windows Server 2022 in this drive, and then click Next. Okay, so now the time to enter the password for the admin password. You can put the strong password in the complete password. Okay, so now we have successfully installed Windows Server 2022, and let's try to log in. Okay, so thank you for watching, and in the next video we will install Active Directory inside this Windows Server 2022. Thank you.